Welcome to Patient Assistance Tool. This educational video is only on how to do the care plan section. You should watch the basic introduction before you watch this video. The patient section and the staff checklist session will have been done. One clicks to start. You will be offered checklist mode, which is designed for experienced doctors and is very fast. What happens is that each of the problems is just offered as a checklist. If you click on them, it opens to form a row in a GP management plan like I've done up here already. If you do not click, it will just ignore the problem and it will not be added to the GP management plan. The questionnaire mode, on the other hand, for every problem it offers you a full row and you have to answer yes or no or not applicable. It's designed for less experienced doctors and also for doctors the first 3 or 4 times they use the program, so they understand what the problem means in the checklist. So what we're going to do now is we will just move back up and we will click checklist mode. So I'll just reset this. So we have a patient who has rheumatoid arthritis. The subclinic arthritis inflammatory has been added, and in the subclinic it's got 6 possible problems that you can check. So if we check this one, it will create a row. So we decide that yes, they do need referral to a rheumatologist. And then it will offer you all the rheumatologists that are in your contacts book, and you just pick one. It also offers the option for speech recognition. Patient is currently on methotrexate 20 milligrams once weekly. Stop dictation. This can be saved. You have the option to save a customized treatment. What you would do is you would dictate it here, click on customized treatment, and so what we have up here is we have arthritis pattern inflammatory. You can put whatever you would normally like to do for inflammatory arthritis up here, and then you have the option to replace existing, and then you can make it available to yourself or all other users in the practice, same as for an autofill. You can decide whether you want to manually add it or whether you want to automatically add it in future. You save these options, and so it's fully customizable. We're just going to go back now. So that's how the checklists work. The full questionnaire mode, as I say, it offers a yes/no question or a yes/no not applicable question for each problem. And so if we say blood pressure, for instance, the blood pressure comes through from the nurse that has been pre-recorded, and blood pressure is out of range. Start Coversul 10 milligrams and review in 4 weeks. That would be listed as action planned for GP. So now I'm going to show you the final option. So we've seen 2 options, the full questionnaire mode and the checklist mode. And now if you have an experienced practice nurse and you want them to do some of the care plan preparation, they would run in questionnaire mode, And when they came to something like this, which was, say, the blood pressure question here, if the nurse was doing it, they could just basically flag this, and what this means is that this is flagged for the doctor's attention, and so all the rows that the nurse can do will be completed, and this row will be saved for the doctor, so the doctor may have 4 or 5 flagged rows that they have to do that the nurse feels should be more appropriately done by the doctor. I'm not going to explain how the rest of the GP management plan works because that is present in the basic video. So in summary, the care plan section is extremely flexible. You have a fast checklist section for experienced doctors, a full questionnaire mode for less experienced doctors, and a full questionnaire mode plus flagging for practice nurses. Thank you for watching this instructional video.